Hey guys, welcome back to another Daybreak News video, and today I will be talking about the Boeing 377 Stratocruiser. Ah yes, the Boeing 377 Stratocruiser, a large long-range airliner produced by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. A plane that was developed from the B-29 Superfortress back in World War II. This airliner was one of the only to go transoceanic back in the day. It was pressurized, had a range of 3,600 nautical miles, could seat up to 100 passengers, and it was double-decker. The plane had 4 Pratt & Whitney Wasp major piston engines, putting out 3,500 horsepower each. The first flight of the plane was on July 8, 1947. Pan Am was the first to purchase the airliner back in 1949 with an order of 20 planes.
On the runway, she turns her huge body into the wind and begins to stretch her muscles. The Clipper is on her own now.
Clipper to tower. Flight 100, ready to take off.
The flight tower gives her the final okay, and she starts to build up the power in her wings. Wing flaps reach out, feeling the wind and ready to control its currents. Finally, the men at the controls are ready to take her off, and 142,000 pounds starts down the runway. A day in the air, flying Pan American from New York to London. How far away is the warm sun of Brazil, the lovely city of Rio de Janeiro? Not much farther than your favorite weekend resort, flying Pan American. Between breakfast time and dinner, Pan American will carry you to the beaches of Hawaii. Traveling by Clipper, a day and a night will take you across the Pacific to the Far East. You'll be there soon. Before long, you will see the airfield rising toward you, and you will be there rested and ready for the day ahead. And because you have flown, your stay will be longer by days. Overnight, the Clipper has carried you across the world to another city, another country, another continent.
The 377 had a production run of 14 years with 56 airplanes built. All 377s sadly have been scrapped and don't exist today.